All right, done. So in this video, Craig from Think Media gives a complete beginner's tutorial for editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. He goes from start to finish. Before you even open Premiere, he stresses how important it is to organize your footage. He makes a main project folder, and inside that, he creates 3 subfolders. A-roll, your main talking clips, B-roll, supplemental footage, and project files for the Premiere file and other assets. Once he's in Premiere, he shows how to cut down the A-roll. His biggest time-saving tip here is using the Ripple Edit tool. Instead of making a cut, deleting the bad part, and then dragging everything over, you can just use a single keyboard shortcut.
Delete everything to the left of my playhead up until the last cut that I made, and also move everything over to the left.
The other huge hack was for color correcting. He has a ton of little clips from his main A-roll on the timeline. Instead of color correcting each tiny clip one by one, he edits the source file. That way, the color correction is automatically applied to every single clip from that original file all at once. It's super efficient.
Edit the source footage one time, and it's going to apply that same color correction to every single clip.
Yep, he also goes over the basics of adding B-roll, music, sound effects, and simple titles. He even shows how to use the audio track mixer to make your voice sound richer and clearer with effects like EQ and compression. No problem. Now, about that dinner. So, for a detailed and actionable PDF version, please see the link in the description. Well, that's about 38 minutes saved. See you next time.